1. Bilberry. This herb is packed with antioxidants, which can protect the retina and improve night vision. 2. Ginkgo biloba. Known for its ability to enhance blood flow to the eyes, ginkgo biloba can help combat macular degeneration and glaucoma. 3. Turmeric. The curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can protect against cataracts and other eye disorders. 4. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can protect the eyes from damage caused by UV rays and pollution. 5. Grapeseed. Grapeseed extract contains antioxidants that can protect the lens of the eye and help prevent cataracts and macular degeneration. 6. Eyebright. As the name suggests, eyebright is commonly used to treat eye inflammation and conjunctivitis. 7. Goji berries. These berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly zeaxanthin, which protects the retina and improves overall eye health. 8. Saffron. Recent studies suggest that saffron may improve visual acuity and sensitivity to light. 9. Omega-3 fatty acids. While not an herb, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil can help improve dry eye symptoms and macular health.